And welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about ways in which you can deal with toxic people at work. It's a very interesting topic and frankly a very important topic that has been very close to my heart because I have dealt with those people who were little mean to me or who were little nasty to me. These toxic people could actually come in any format. They could be people who are lowering down your productivity or lowering down your morale or even lowering down your ambitions within the firm or even outside of the firm. Uh, in terms of lowering down the productivity, there could be people who are just gossip mongers. They could be people who are just interested in talking about other people than just talk about work or just talk about ideas. I do understand that gossip is one of the means through which people bond. That's how our evolution has taken place. But we all understand that there is a thin line or a thin boundary that should never be crossed, especially at work, right? So it could be those people who are just being very gossip oriented rather than ideas oriented or friendship oriented or collaboration oriented. Or of course they could be people who are a little less motivated at work, who are not as ambitious as you would like to be, who indirectly attack you with comments addressed at you in meeting rooms or even in a one-on-one setting. So many people believe that being toxicity doesn't exist at work, or it's something that should not be taken very seriously. I can imagine that if I were to go to my parents when I was 21 and tell them that I'm having a hard time with this specific person, they would kind of shrug it off and think that you should be lucky that you have a job rather than complain about those people. While I do align with that thought process, but I do not want to ignore the fact that there are few people who could be toxic at work as well. Which brings me towards the next section. How should you go about dealing with such people? Watch till the end because I'm going to be sharing a very quick hack that can definitely help you understand how to deal with such toxic people. So, first and foremost, like always, I manage a diary so that I'm not missing out on any point. Uh, Avoid such people as possible, as much as possible. And I think, especially in the pandemic, as we are working on Zoom, the kind of small talks that we used to have before has really lowered down. There are positives to it and there are negatives to it as well. The negatives, of course, is that we are not able to make friends beyond than just work. We are not able to get to know them beyond just the Zoom meeting. But I think one of the positives is we are not talking to people outside bathroom or in cafeteria, etc., where these gossip or these negative people could just meet us and give us that bad time, right? So try to avoid them as much as possible. So that's point number one. Point number two is take them out. Try to understand that when I was 24, I was stuck with this man who was my implicit boss, not really even direct boss. And I think he was just giving me a very bad time, being mean to me in front of other people. And if you believe that few people do not get hard time, I have gotten a lot of hard time from many people, not just one. And what I did was I requested him to have a catch up with me outside of office so that I could get to understand him more, just try to understand what was his point of view and try to probably bring more empathy to him and help him understand where do I come from as well. So that's point number two. Just try to understand more as a person. Probably after understanding them more as a person, you may understand that they are not as bad as probably you thought them to be, or they are not as mean people as probably the projection is coming out to be. So that's point number two. Point number three is definitely around escalation. And what do I mean by that? If you are trying to avoid them and that's not working, if you're trying to understand them and be empathetic towards them and that's not working, then definitely comes the time when you try to have a direct one-on-one conversation with them, whereby you sit on the table and you try to build out a good conversation. What is bothering you? Why is it bothering you? Because gossip, negativity, toxicity, these are very subjective words. What is toxic for you may not be toxic for someone else, or what is not toxic for you could be toxic for someone else as well. In fact, at Global Governance Initiative, we share a very good scripted chat, and all our GGI fellows and scholars practice these chats in a safe ecosystem, in a mock style, how they should be dealing with these toxic people. And I personally know of so many people who came back and told me how they were able to gain so much value. I remember getting into one of the breakout rooms, and this BITS Pilani student was actually being bullied by one of the senior in his society. And because of the safe environment of Global Governance Initiative, he was actually able to unleash himself and practice that, and then probably go out in the real world and manage those emotions as well. If you would be interested, I'll share the link of Global Governance Initiative in the link box so that you could check that out as well. That's largely what I had to discuss about how to deal people at toxic people at work, or even in your college. I think all of us come from different arenas, different backgrounds. In order to protect ourselves, few people could be mean to others as well. I think insecurity, anger, lack of calmness, lack of confidence in oneself could subject these bad behaviors towards others as well. One more thing that I would want to leave you all with would be this. Many a times we're always thinking who is toxic to us, but many a times we may not realize that we may be toxic to others as well. So take a step back and just think, am I being rude to someone that I shouldn't be? Or why am I being rude to someone? Probably at times we just become so self-centered that we just ignore few people, or we are just mean to few people without even realizing that we are doing those behaviors. So this video would not be just solving for our own selves. It would be nice to solve for others as well, assuming that few of you unknowingly or subconsciously could be toxic to others as well. If you like my content, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment in the comment section as well. If there is new video that you would want me to make, I have been keeping a very close eye on all the comments that are coming my way. Thank you so much for showering with your love. Take care and stay safe. Bye.
Subscribe right now so that you get notified every time, every day, whenever I'm putting up my videos on career advancement, personal finance, and lots of productivity hacks.